warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Maanta waxay imaatay Asa, she's my neighbor. She's downstairs degan tahay. Waxay dhahday waxaan rabaa Somali wedding inaan aadno. So marka gabar dariskeena waxay qabtay meher marka anaa lii wacay. Ana waxaan ku dhahay kaali hadda laakiin waan ka soo naqanay. Waxaan dhahay maxaan sameeyay tiri marka waxaan dhahay uunsigaan taashadana haday marka u tagay waxay tiri caraf kaliya tahay. So uunsigii waxay tusay tiri makeup waa loo mariyay. How is it your makeup, Asa?
Very nice.
How Somali traditional?
I fit in the part.
Yeah. And how is the wedding in Somalia? Next door neighbor when we go.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun.
Yeah.
We turn up.
Yeah. How is the Somali food?
Very lovely.
Yeah. Would you like a Somali traditional? How it look? The clothes is that bigger or like
it's very comfortable.
Yeah, but some people they saying it's very heavy, but
no,
it's not heavy.
it isn't. It's very comfortable.
Yeah,
not a lot of clothes.
It's not it's a normal, but it's our traditional when you go in like a party or whatsoever and stuff like that. And what did you think when we walking in the road? Somali lady dressing like this, what did you think?
They look very nice, very classy, they're well covered, which is really good because nowadays you don't see a lot of women who wear a lot of clothes or wear long clothes and cover their bodies. You understand? So that's why it is, you know. Normally you walk in, you see a woman, she has on a shorts or a vest, you know, but you could still look classy with long stuff on.
Yeah, that is very nice. For your name,
introduce yourself.
My name is Asa Thompson.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Trinidad and Tobago. I've been living in the UK for 20 years now.
Wow, but you don't look like or Trinidad. You look tonight as Somali lady.
Well, you know what? Regardless of where we come from, we all have a part of Africa in us. So that's what the whole concept is. No matter where you come from, you could fit in.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. And then Hoyo example, yeah, when you going outside, normally we use a Hoyo because she said Hoyo, what does this mean? That means it's mom. Yeah, and that is what all the time she's saying to me Hoya, and for me I call her Hoya because I didn't call her name. Asa.
Yeah.
Sometimes because instead and I call her name and I say hi Hoya, and all my kids they call in Hoya. And then that is why all the time I love the Hoya because all the time I say hi Hoya.
It sounds really nice.
Hoya, what do you think is the Fahimi is doing her makeup?
She could do professional makeup. She just needs to be a bit more serious because she talks plenty and she takes a lot of break. But you know, she's really good. You know, and she could be a future makeup artist if she puts her mind to it because she's very talented. That's talent.
Yeah, because everybody has a hope. And my husband, he doesn't like it all the time. She's making the makeup, and I say to her like, "Stop!" But it's her hope. And in the future, she told me I need like a criminology. And
there's something else extra for her
but that is why
to occupy herself.
Yeah, absolutely. And that is why I say to her, like, leave her because instead she's going wrong place. And
yes, and she's inside, and even if she goes to do makeup because she does a lot of makeup for weddings and a lot of Somali weddings and stuff like that. So it's something that occupies her, and you know, when she's there, she's in her safe havens. So it's really good.
Because the makeup is, you know, the way now everybody you can. Like, you know, the role model, but my husband, he doesn't think about the makeup. You can make money.
With men, with some men, especially when dads, they're always thinking, okay, then I want my child to be the best. But although she wants to be a criminal lawyer, she can still have a hobby, and which is this makeup, and you know, it occupies her. It keeps her off the streets, and that's what, you know, we need to keep encouraging her to do
Yeah, something
at least something and not walk in the streets every day and every night. So
yeah, that is why I have to be all the time. I put like a lot of makeup. And I say to her, you know, you can make it like, you know, whatever. And Bahima normally she's going, you know, the lady house, and then she's doing the makeup and everything, and that is why I have to be encouraged about what she yeah. Oh yeah. And Hoya asking me something.
do you think I could be could fit in, or I could pass as a Somalian?
Yeah.
Of course.
Why not? Oh yeah, when you now, if I didn't know, you know, you're passing and you don't talk, and I was thinking this lady is Somalian, and then they say hi.
Like if you are at a wedding.
Yeah, if you are waiting, even I see you, and that is why I say that this is Somali, because you look absolutely Somalian. I give it to you 100%.
But that's what I said, you know what, no matter what part of the world we come from, as black people we always have
Something in common.
something in common, especially black people.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, we always have a piece of Africa inside of us.
Yeah, absolutely. That's why I see the lot of, you know, especially Somali people, they don't say, you know, that they refuse in Africa. What did you think?
Yeah, but Somalia is part of
Yeah,
Africa.
they think they're Arab or
but
something.
sometimes
Like they're pure
they say,
African.
we are Arabic. We don't say like Arabic, but
Yeah, but I think, listen, I don't think Arabic is a country. Arabic is a language,
Arab,
is a culture.
yeah,
Is a culture. So even if I'm from Somalia, right? Say I'm from Somalia. If somebody else asks me, "Oh, are you from Somalia?" I will be proud to say, "Yes, I am Somalian, and I can speak Arabic." So as I say, it is a language, it's not a culture.
yeah.
So that's what it takes. Somalia is part of Africa,
Yeah.
regardless of how people want to look at it. It's forever going to be a part of Africa.
Yeah,
That's right.
but still, you know, if the Somali people is saying, because like example, you know, this country, they give it to you the form, and then they say Pile, and then black African, black Caribbean, black, you know, the white
Yes,
things,
it's not
like,
gonna, but
they
it says
have like,
Africa,
okay.
it doesn't say
But
Somali, though. That's what
Exactly.
I know, but the Somali people, they don't give us. Most of they take in, you know, the black African bar. They say, no, why I'm taking, and then I have to be taking the right thing, you know. I'm Somalian, and then that's why I say, I know you're Somalian, but
it's still part of Africa.
Yeah,
so it's still going to fall under Africa,
Yeah.
regardless of Somalia, Ethiopia, wherever.
Yeah,
it's
the
still
East
going to
Africa.
it's still going to fall under part of Africa.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Hi, maxaa kale tahay? Maxaa kale weydiina?
I don't know.
Hooyo Somali, maxaa kale tahay? Hooyo, what did you maxaa kale weydiina? Hooyo su'aal kale weydiiyo.
Why does a lot of Somali children don't know their back home language or don't speak it?
Well, Hoya, it's a good question. The Somali children, because maybe when they, you know, the 1992, the Somali has a civil war, and then we go the different places. You know, many things. I was working in a school, Hoya. The one I was working in a school, I see a lot.
Oh, the power is going.